Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Trezor Model 1. First, connect your device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, download and install the official Trezor Suite application. This software is essential for managing your cryptocurrency. You will then be guided through setting up a new wallet or recovering an existing one. Remember to carefully write down your unique recovery seed. It is crucial for accessing your funds if your device is lost or damaged. To manage your funds, open Trezor Suite and unlock your Trezor Model 1 with your PIN. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to work with, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. For receiving funds, simply generate a new address within the suite and share it with the sender. When sending, input the recipient's address and the exact amount. Always confirm the transaction details on your Trezor screen before finalizing. The core security of your Trezor Model 1 lies in keeping your private keys isolated. They never leave the device, even when connected to a computer. Every transaction must be physically confirmed on your Trezor's small screen, preventing unauthorized transfers. Protect your device with a strong PIN, which you set during initial setup. Your 24-word recovery seed is the ultimate backup, allowing you to restore your entire wallet if needed. For an extra layer of security, consider using a passphrase in addition to your PIN. This creates a hidden wallet, making your funds even more secure. Regularly check for and install firmware updates to ensure your device has the latest security enhancements. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery seed with anyone. Keep it offline and in a secure location, as it grants full access to your cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.